I spilled. Oh my. Sheesh. Good afternoon. So, I'm the earliest bird today sa aming magkakaibigan. So, ako yung unang-una. Tapos ako pa yung pinakamalayo. Yung iba kong friends nag-work pa currently. But I'm here. Hindi ko in-expect na ganito rin kaaga. So, currently, it's 12:40. So, we'll see later. Makikita ko na sila. Kakain muna ako kasi tagal ng biyahe. So, nag-travel na ako starting 7 pa lang. And then, I'm here na. Grabe, sobrang sweet ni tita. Bakit naka-foil? Ano yun?
Para kanya-kanya.
Yes.
The foil kesa sa paper.
I love it. Hey, tat-tat-tat-tat. Hey. You dance for another. Tat-tat-tat-tat. So, paalis na kami. Nasa bus na kami. And the problem is, sa biyahe pa yung kasama namin. But anyway, meron pa namang 5 p.m. flight. So, pwede siya mag-rebook. Tingnan natin, ang last call is 4:50. Nagpahuli na kami. Sana makahabol siya. Let's see. Nakaabot ka! Congrats!
No pressure si Kuya. Sabi ko, Kuya, biyahero, hostel, please. Support pala muna.
Magpo-force po muna. Pali pa rin mo yung tricycle.
Kuya, pasensya ka na, ha?
Hi, so we're here na sa Boracay Island.
Yep.
And we're looking for food para sa dinner. And yeah, I'm really excited kung anong kakainin, kung anong feast. Ay! Be careful. Ikaw?
I'm so excited with the Nomo. I'd rather drink than to eat.
Okay, let's drink na. So we're now here at Mall Palengke. Dessert World. Good morning! Ikaw lang Basta dito, hindi ka kasama. Iba yung outfit mo. Bakit naman naka-white ang everyone, tas ang every two ay naka-blue? Hindi nagtitik naman to. So good morning. I'm with team, the Tito and Tita team today. Nag-bar yung mga friends namin, sila AJ, yesterday. So kami, magmo-morning walk kami around the Balagbag Beach. And yeah, so 5 of us magvo-voluntary exit to transfer to other hotel room. Ako nag-book lang ako around D-Mall. Then yung mga friends ko, kakasama sila. So yun, see you later. Bye-bye. Good morning, Boracay. Walkers! So we're here at Sunnyside Cafe. We're here. Hi, so now we're walking na naman. So snorkel kami.
Ano to? Woke up like this.
Yeah, kagising lang namin. Walang mumog.
Walang mumog.
Cute na mga tao.
Okay, eto na po ang condiment.
Lagyan mo na rin akin. Thank you, pa.
Sa mo pa akong ulit.
Let's swim. Very comfortable naman na yung jacket. Nagpo-photo siya pa Nakapag-settle na kami sa bagong namin tinutuluyan rito. This is Kitito Hotel. So it's like Chinese themed yata or Korean, whatever. But anyway, this one is pretty decent. Very clean naman siya and super okay naman and super mura din. And now, pupunta kami sa beach for sunset viewing and tatambay lang kami. And hindi ko alam kung ano mangyayari. Pero actually wala kaming plan going here sa Boracay. Everything is spontaneous. Ayun, I'm just so happy with this trip kasi talagang chill lang siya. And at the same time, we're exploring everything. So wala kaming expectation, wala kaming anything. So I went here sa Boracay last April for an event and for like 3 days ata. And now I'm staying here from Saturday to Thursday. So good luck talaga sa akin kung paano ko uwi kasi may work pa ako. So it's a work vacation. Working here ng graveyard shift and going for gala on the side. So that's the original plan. And nakahanap na rin kami ng accommodation for tomorrow. So may pool siya so we can swim kapag wala na masyadong work or everything. Ganon. So, good. Apple product.
Wait lang, be.
Grabe, sobrang nakakahinga yung sinot namin kay Edina. I cannot.
I'll go.
Oh, you dance.
To the side. To the side.
Ah!
Hey. Hey. Let's dance. Dance, dance, dance. Dance. And to the side. Side, side, side. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, oh, oh. As a break dancer. You dance. Oh, oh, oh. Big.
So, good morning. Kakagising ko lang. It's actually 12:59 ng hapon. So, yung mga friends namin, nag-island hopping sila. Pero kasi kagabi, sobrang nag-party kami. So, pumunta kami sa Raku, Wine Bar. Sobrang ganda ng music. Like, they started from all these to new ones, the new ones to all these. Sobrang na-enjoy ko. And nagpunta rin kami sa Epic Bar, which is so good. Kasi party people talaga. Marami rin kaming nakakilala and nak-close dun sa bar. So, hindi kami na-bore so much. So, sayaw lang ako ng sayaw kagabi. And inom din ang inom. So, kaya tayo ngayon lang nagising. Then, yung friend ko, may turo siya ng 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. First day of class. Professor si AJ, kaya talaga. But anyway, ngayon hindi ko alam kung may plan kami. But but to just go with the flow and just enjoy the rest of the day. So yun, and later this night, mag-work naman ako. As laptop class, while on a vacation, I'm also working. So this is the advantage of being a freelancer or a virtual assistant, that you can work anywhere and you can work anywhere, and at the same time, kahit nasa vacation ka, you can still do what you want and at the same time earn money and work hard. Ganun. So yun, we'll see kung ano mangyari today. Our food today. Wow, sarap, grabe. The very famous Jollibee. Very famous Jollibee. Dessert while working. Sarap. After working kagabi, I think deserve ko naman mag-serve. Let's work ulit later.
May laptop ako actually dito.
Hanggang ngayon, laptop, ano ka para laptop class
As a laptop class. As an elite member.
Maligas ka, dito ka lang.
Kita mo ulit.
Tignan niyo to.
Ganda oh. Sunset in Boracay.
Overnight na yun. Hindi. Pag short
Say hi everyone.
Hey, you're working.
Ay, ang bongga na. Look at the view. So we're done swimming here sa Bulabog Beach. I'm loving my skin on Tipa. So aalis na rin kami bukas. So it's our last full day today. And I am just so happy and fun. This is a different side of Boracay. So ang saya. And ayun, na pala ako nakapag-vlog ng ayos. Anyway, super ganda ng view ko right now. Let me show you. Look at my view. So yun, tambay lang kami today. Very chill lang. Very cute. Very demure. Ay, dami sinabi. I'm with Dina and Tita Maridol. Ay, grabe
Very mindful.
naman siya. So yun. See you later kung ano pang mga mangyayari sa buhay namin. Ang dami ng views ng TikTok video. This is our food pag-umalis. We ordered tapsilo. We have famous bulalo na favorite ni Amir. So we'll try it. Yellow food. Some kind of fish. Alam mo, you're super early, ha? Yung, ano nangyari kaberya?
Yun, walang QR code si Self. Nag-run! Ate pa print! Wala ngayon na may printer.
At last na naman po siya.
Hindi.
Say hi, Alina.
Bye, Boracay!
Bye. See you again, Boracay.